Hello! Welcome to today's English lesson. Join Emma and Tom as they talk about movies in simple, easy English. In this lesson, you will learn useful vocabulary, listen to a short conversation, and practice speaking about your favorite films. Perfect for English learners at the A2 level. Today's lesson includes movie vocabulary, a short listening story, speaking practice, easy examples, fun questions about films and cinema. Let's improve your English together.
Hi, Tom. Did you watch any good movies last weekend?
Yes, I watched a new thriller. It was really suspenseful. I couldn't stop watching.
Nice. Was it predictable?
Not at all. The ending was very intriguing.
I love movies like that. I don't enjoy films that are too predictable.
Me neither. What kind of movies do you usually watch?
I love fantasy and romantic movies. Sometimes I watch action films too.
What's your all-time favorite movie?
The Lord of the Rings. The scenery is dazzling, and the story is amazing.
Great choice. My favorite is The Dark Knight. It was a huge box office success.
Have you ever watched the same movie more than once?
Yes, I've seen it 5 times.
Wow. I usually watch a movie twice if it's really good.
Have you ever watched a movie based on a book?
Yes, I watched Harry Potter after reading the books.
Which was better?
I think the books were better, but the movies were excellent too.
Do you think movies can be educational?
Definitely. We can learn history, culture, and even English.
That's true. Many people across the world learn English by watching movies.
Have you heard about Americanization?
Yes, Hollywood movies are popular everywhere.
Many people who have never visited the USA nonetheless think they know what life there is like.
That's because movies show American culture to people all across the world.
Do you prefer Hollywood movies or domestic movies?
I enjoy both, but I like domestic movies because they tell stories about our own country.
Me too. We have many talented actors and directors.
If someone made a movie about your life, what would it be like?
It would be a comedy with a few romantic scenes. It would also have some tender moments with my family.
Mine would be an adventure movie with lots of travel.
Sounds fun. Let's go to the cinema this weekend.
Great idea. Maybe we'll find another intriguing and suspenseful movie.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you liked this video, leave a comment, share this video with your friends, subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing your English every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.